Hello everybody, Monty Reed here for YouTube, and I'm featuring the Bosch double oven. This is a convection oven and regular oven. You can switch it back and forth, and I've used it in my slam cooking. The convection oven is one of the tips and tricks for slam cooking because it can cook things evenly and faster. And so we've got both ovens going here. It comes with a total of 6 racks, so it's got 5 of the traditional racks. And it also has one of these broiler racks, which is really cool. So you've got a rack that's got a hole in the middle. Drop that in, and you can see obviously it's used. And it comes with this cooking with convection, because a lot of recipes will have to be adjusted where you turn the temperature down. So if you go through this convection cookbook, you will learn the basics of cooking with convection, because it is a little bit different. I know when I first started using it, I burnt some things, but once you get the hang of it, you will see that things cook a lot faster. And so this is the Bosch oven. It has a timer so that you can set what time you want dinner ready and how long it needs to cook, and you just set this to timed, and or you can have them both on manual, or you can actually set the lower one to time. So the nice thing, one of the nice things about it is you can cook dessert in the bottom while you're cooking the main course upstairs. Also you can use it to keep things warm down here while you're cooking in the main compartment as well. And so it's just really nice to have a double oven, because often you'll have a large meal that has requiring baking at 2 different temperatures. So it's just really handy to be able to use that. So this is the Bosch oven, the double oven. It is for sale. As you know, we are moving, and you can have the oven I use in slam cooking and do some slam cooking yourself. This is Monty Reed for YouTube. That is the Bosch double oven.